What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to take a look at how you can get your Corvette open if the battery dies. We're going to be doing it on a 2022 Corvette here, but it will be the same on a few different years. So the first thing we need to do in order to get our Corvette open and access to the battery to get it charged is get the door open. How we're going to do that is if we take a look at our fob, we're going to use the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. You get that out by pressing this button here, and then the key will slide out like that. Now we're going to take that emergency key, and where we're going to go with it is the air scoop, and we're on the driver's side here. If we take a look up in here, we can see this key cylinder right here. So we take that emergency key and put it in there like that. And then you're gonna twist it to open. And as you do that, it'll pop the door open just a little bit, like you can see there. And you may notice the battery's not actually dead in this car, but I'm just going through the demonstration. So once you have the door open, then we take a look down here near the pedals. If you take a look to the left of the steering column, you're gonna see this loop right here. Go ahead and pull that, and that pops the front trunk. Now we'll go take a look in there. Then there's a few plastic pieces of trim that we need to remove. We take a look right here and see this piece, and if you can just kind of get your fingers on the bottom of it, and then this will come off, and you eventually kind of want to pull straight out this way. We can set that to the side, and we'll go over to the other side and do the same thing. Set that to the side. Now we need to remove this center plastic piece. You can just start on the side and just pick up, work your way around. Come over here, do the same thing. So get that off, we can set that to the side. And then with that off, we can see our battery right here. And now you can get your jumper cables on or charger, or if you're just completely changing the battery, you should be able to do everything you need to do from this point. Once you're done doing that, you reverse everything we just did to close this all up with the plastic trim back on there. And that's about it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.